New in version 1.8 is Model Context Protocol support, commonly referred to as MCP. To better utilize AI, this recent innovation unlocks some truly amazing capabilities to streamline your workflow. But first you have to enable it, and we're going to walk through that flow and integrate with Claude. Starting from home here in Collate, we need to first install the MCP app. So start by navigating to the Settings menu. Now select Applications. Next, we click on Add Apps. Here you can search for MCP or scroll down for it. Here we see it. We click Read More, and we select Install. Click on Configure. Now on this page, the help on the right side will explain what each of these fields are. Note that they are related and only apply to streamable HTTP. If you aren't using streamable HTTP, then leave these as they are and click Submit. We're using SSE in this case, so we'll leave them as is. We need one more thing before we move on to Claude. Click on your profile here in the upper right, select View Profile, click on Access Token. The options here are to generate or revoke a token. I've already got one, so I can just copy it for the next step. Moving over to Claude, which if you haven't already downloaded and installed it, you'll need to do. Now click on Settings, select Developer, and now we want to edit the config file. This will pop up a Windows Explorer, at which point you can open it with your favorite editor. I'm just going to use TextEdit in this case. This is what it looks like when you've got a configured MCP server. This should already be in the file. If it isn't, copy it. These are the parts that we need. And what's going to be relevant is the URL here for the MCP server. Generally, it's your URL /mcp/SSE for an SSE type, and then the auth server, which will be the same URL /mcp in this case. Finally, down here, we have the auth header. This is where the access token goes. Make sure that you keep the word bearer here, and if it isn't in there, add it. The rest of this will be pasted in. Now we just need to restart Claude so it can connect to the server. These sliders here show you the search and tools, and you'll see the open metadata tools are installed and ready for you to start exploring. Collate